Okay, welcome. Today is midterm day. So let's have a little bit of a chat about file conversion. Now, the reason for this is because I'm making the midterm exam available for everyone in the class in three different formats. You're going to have access to a Google document, a PDF, or a Word document. So you can work in whatever format you're most comfortable in. That being said, when you go to submit your midterm back into our VIU Learn site, I want it to come in either a Word format or PDF format. So this quick support video is just to show you how to convert a Google document into one of those two versions. Um, some of you are wanting to use Google Docs. That's fine. I'm okay with that. But for my marking purposes, it's much easier if I get the file, if I get your midterm in either Word or PDF. So let's take a look. It's really quite simple. So here are my teacher's notes from earlier this week. These were the notes from Monday's class. Obviously, I don't want to show you the midterm early, so I'm using a different Google Doc as my example here. So it's really super easy. You just go over to File, you go to the download, you use the drop down menu, and you scroll down to download. Now you can see here that there's a wide range of different file configurations available. So what I would ask you to do is first you can choose, do I want it to go in as a Word document or a PDF? I'm okay with either one. Those are the two that I'm accepting. So then you go ahead and click what you want, and then you'll notice that the file comes up in that format. So then I would go ahead and I would save this, we're assuming my work is completed. Pick the spot you want it to live, and then I'm going to create a new file here, midterm exams. So this is where I will eventually end up saving your work as well. So, and then you'd want to include your name. This is one thing I notice people sometimes aren't doing. Make sure you put your name and then the title of what you're saving, and then you can save this Word document. So that would be one version of how to save it. And then you would just go ahead and upload this document as you normally would upload a document into our VIU Learns site. So then the other option, if you want to upload a PDF, that's the second choice. So again, you go here, convert it. It's going to show up on your download box. And then again, here it arrives in its new format. And once again, we're going to make sure that we save it with our name and tell me what it is, and then you can save it. And then you're able to go to VIU Learns, and what we'll see is that in the VIU Learns area, we can see that we actually go here, and we can download or go to the assessment section, go to the assignments section, and there will be a box that I will open up momentarily, and it will actually, we can do that right now. So we can, and this, once this box is open, this will be the spot where you're going to drop either your Word document or your PDF file. Goes today, and we'll close it down for 5:30 p.m. as agreed. This is the bucket we will use for midterm submissions. Acceptable file formats are Word doc or PDF file. Okay, make it visible. Save and close. And there we go. As you can see, it is available. So once you've finished your midterm and you've decided either Word format or PDF format, save it in that format and then upload it into this bucket. That'll allow me easy access, and those two file formats are the best formats for me for marking. Awesome. Good luck, everyone. I'll be on my email during the midterm hours, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me and ask.